Hi everybody, in this video I will let you all know how can you delete or hide Amazon purchase history. So to do this, you simply want to make sure to open up your Amazon application first of all and open it. Then you want to go ahead and click on the U section and then go to order, or you could just go ahead and click on the order section. After you could then go ahead and click on see all your orders, or if you are unable to find a transaction or the order history, you could also go ahead and click on new once again, and then you have right over here you could find these options: order history or transaction history. Unfortunately, you cannot completely delete your Amazon purchase history. You could archive order to hide from them. From your default order view, archive orders are still accessible if you know where to look. So what you need to do is, first of all, go to your Amazon account and then navigate to returns and order, or the order section. You could find under the order account list tab on the Amazon website. Then you just want to go ahead and locate order you want to hide. Then click on archive order below the order details. Confirm the actions in the pop-up window. And that is how you could delete or hide Amazon purchase history. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.